The key factors in survival and self-defense folding knives are portability and dependability. The correct folder can save your life while you're in the backcountry, in an emergency, or looking for a reliable daily carry. Hardened steels, sophisticated lock systems, and ergonomic handles are all combined in 2025 folders to provide strength without adding bulk. 10 knives in this collection are highlighted for their exceptional multi-role performance, secure retention, and quick deployment. From slicing and prying to emergency rescue tasks, stay tuned as we go over each model's specifications, practical applications, and carry advice. The Benchmade 275 Adamas is a powerhouse tactical knife built for extreme durability and reliability. Designed for military and survival applications, it features a 3.8-inch CPM crew-wear steel blade known for its incredible toughness and edge retention. The drop-point blade is finished with Benchmade signature coating for added corrosion resistance. One of its standout features is the axis lock mechanism, providing smooth deployment and rock-solid lockup. The textured G10 handle ensures a secure grip even in wet or harsh conditions. Plus, with a full stainless steel liner, it offers exceptional strength. Designed for heavy-duty use, the 275 Adamas is perfect for combat, self-defense, and survival situations. If you need a rugged and reliable folding knife that thrives in tough environments, the Benchmade 275 Adamas is a battle-ready choice. When it comes to battle-tested reliability, the CRKT Carson M16 stands tall. Designed for tactical professionals and everyday warriors, this folding knife boasts a 3.875-inch black serrated tanto blade crafted from 8 steel for a razor-sharp edge and solid durability. The flipper opener ensures quick, effortless deployment, while the liner lock with LWKS safety provides extra security, transforming it into a virtual fixed blade when engaged. The black aluminum handle is both lightweight and rugged, featuring steel liners for added strength without unnecessary bulk. At 9.5-inch overall, this knife balances power and precision with a reversible tip-up carry clip for ambidextrous convenience. Whether you're in the field, on duty, or gearing up for adventure, the CRKT M16 is built to perform under pressure. With its proven design and unwavering dependability, this knife isn't just a tool, it's a trusted companion for those who demand the best. Built for rugged dependability and relentless cutting power, the Microtech Stitch Automatic is a battle-ready beast designed in collaboration with Marioni Custom Knives and Borka Blades. Featuring a fully serrated worm cliff blade crafted from premium baller M390 steel. This knife tears through tough materials with ease, while the apocalyptic finish gives it a bold, non-nonsense look. A push-button automatic opener delivers instant blade deployment backed by a rock-solid button lock for one-handed operation and maximum security. The textured natural aluminum handle offers a sure grip even in the harshest conditions, while the tip-up pocket clip ensures quick and easy carry. Whether you're on duty, in the field, or tackling demanding tasks, the Micro Stitch Automatic is built to perform without fail. This isn't just a knife, it's a cutting-edge force of nature, ready for anything. The Zero Tolerance 0308 is a heavyweight folding knife built for those who demand maximum strength in a compact form. Designed for hard use, this tactical beast features a 3.75-inch CPM 20CD stainless steel blade offering exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and cutting power. Its aggressive drop-point profile and black oxide finish give it both visual appeal and battlefield-ready functionality. Opening is fast and smooth thanks to ZT's KVT ball bearing system and robust flipper tab, while the titanium frame lock with steel lock bar insert ensures rock-solid blade security during intense use. The front handle scale is made from textured G10 for a no-slip grip even in wet or gloved conditions. Whether you're tackling survival tasks or facing urban threats, the ZTO 308 is engineered to perform under pressure. Built in the USA and crafted like a tank, This knife is a no-nonsense tool for serious users who need reliability above all. The Kaiser Sheepdog XL is a bold, oversized folding knife designed to dominate heavy-duty tasks with brute strength and style. Sporting a massive 4-inch blade made from premium 154 cm stainless steel, this cleaver-style beast delivers outstanding cutting power, edge retention, and corrosion resistance, perfect for survival, self-defense, or everyday utility on a larger scale. Its wide blade excels at slicing, chopping, and push cuts, while the stone-washed finish adds durability and rugged aesthetics. The smooth ball-bearing pivot system allows for effortless one-handed deployment via the flipper tab, making it fast and responsive in urgent situations. The G10 handle scales are contoured for a secure, ergonomic grip, providing control and confidence during intense use. Despite its size, the Sheepdog XL feels balanced and manageable in hand. Whether you're tackling the outdoors or standing your ground, the Kaiser Sheepdog XL is a folding powerhouse built for those who believe bigger is better. The Gerber Fast Draw Tonto is a sleek, tactical folding knife designed for rapid deployment and everyday defense. Featuring Gerber's patented forward action spring technology, this knife opens lightning fast with just a flick of the thumb, giving you immediate access when seconds matter most. Its 3-inch Tonto-style blade is crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, offering excellent piercing strength and edge durability, ideal for tactical use and tough cutting jobs. The partially serrated edge adds versatility, allowing you to slice through rope, fabric, or other tough materials with ease. The handle features textured thermoplastic scales for a solid non-slip grip, while the safety lock mechanism ensures the blade stays secured during carry. Compact and lightweight, the Fast Draw is easy to clip in your pocket and forget until you need it. For those who want speed, utility, and tactical precision in one affordable package, the Gerber Fast Draw Tona is a solid choice.